Hello everyone, and thanks for stopping by my channel. Today is going to be a very quick video because, to be honest with you, I didn't know what I want to do next after I did the denim and lace, and I did the little scrapbook, notebook, and all that, and which all got mailed out today. But so I'm thinking to myself, what can I do that may be fall? But not the everyday, put a leaf on a page kind of fall. So what I've come up with is I plan to make a cookbook journal, a cooking journal, I guess, a fall cooking journal. I've got to think of a name for it. But if you've watched me in the past or have for years, I made a journal for my mom. And I just took pages like this, and I'll be gluing them together. I hate wasting my coffee dye, but anyway, gluing those together. And then along this side here, I'll be putting holes in there for the rings. And I pulled out some brass ones, and I don't know if those are going to be too big or not, but also I need to figure out what I'm going to do for the cover. But I just wanted to share with you this. Now, my idea is that I may put sections, but I want at least a line page or a blank journaling page every other page. So let's say I had one that's, I don't have one that's printed anything. Let's see, what do I have? I just put them all at the top over there. So if I had a printed paper, let's say, and I was going to fold it, and so both sides would be this printed paper, that's where I would put pockets and things like that. But at least every other one, I would like to leave a plain writing page so that someone could write down pumpkin pie, the one that they make for all of their holidays, butternut squash soup, whatever it is that they make. And you might want to give me a few tips on foods that are used during that season, during the fall. I know there's a lot of fall vegetables and meals that people prepare. Even, something like chili people do in the fall. So I'm thinking that this would be great for somebody who is a cook, and they don't need a whole cookbook, or they just want to put their mother's recipes in it of things that she made for fall or still does make. So that is my plan. Now I'm going through what digitals I already have, which is, I don't want it too fallish. I mean, I want it to be fall, but why is that upside down? I think I went through this once before on this. I guess it's just the way the leaves are. So this one has a bird on it, but and there's like acorns there. So it's, fallish. But there's other foods that, people eat in the fall, like maybe quail or, even chicken. I don't know, beef stew. All those things that you wouldn't put strawberry shortcake in here is what I'm trying to get at. So I'm not going to design it for that, but that might be a good idea for another cooking journal. I know that I don't want to do just the traditional kind of leaves, and I might do some animal ones like foresty, but Kathy, one of my subscribers, she had mentioned that she liked it when I did theme journals. So I guess that I would consider this a theme journal. It's hard to do theme journals because it's not for everyone. So if somebody's just looking for a journal to give as a gift or whatever, they may not, you know, you may not be making the right one. I think this one, though, would be fun to give. I really think so. And I don't know if I'm going to just, I don't think I'm going to type recipes in here or that kind of thing, because that wouldn't be, I might type some recipes and put them in pockets or in the back of a tag or something, or front. So if they don't have any, like I have these tags that I printed out, which is not the greatest ones, but I really couldn't see on my computer what things I was getting. I don't know why I'm cutting this out, you guys. I guess I'm kind of nervous because I don't know what I want to do for sure. I've been sitting here, you know, wrapping up my journals to mail and trying to think what to do next. And I really do like working the grungy media, you know, mixed media type stuff. But I don't have to, but I did enjoy making that paper that we use. So, I mean, this would be great for something to go in the fall journal. You know, just a piece like this hanging off the edge. And I could put vegetables here, you know, and divide it up. And then it'll be on the rings, so you could divide it up any way you want. Anyhow, so that's the story, and there's no video really today because I don't have anything to make yet. I've got to do all the printing that I want to print, and then I'll glue all this together. I mean, I'm just going to glue these. Now I may put fabric. Let's see if I have a hunk of fabric somewhere. I'm going to, I don't know. I'm just trying to find a piece of fabric. So I thought I might put a fabric or something in here where the rings go, which would give a lot of extra stability. That's why I was folding it in half anyway, so that each page would be stable in there and kind of like feel like card. So I may do that on some. I think I did that on the oh, what was that journal? The Joey Card Maker. I forgot. I used all the jewels. It was so pretty. Anyway, so that's a thought there. So if you guys want to make one like this, you know, just get your papers out. Just even plain coffee dyed I could use also. I don't have to print every single page. But I kind of like this one. The kit that's with it, or the other pieces, are kind of vivid like this, I think. That goes with it. And then I have, or maybe these go with it. I don't remember. I'll have to go look at them all again. And I thought these were nice because it says these are all poems relating to fall. So, you know, I can stick these here and makes a pocket or a tuck, or this is cute, dancing leaves. I love that. So, Season of the Soul, that would be pretty on the front. Autumn carries more gold in its pocket than all the other seasons. So anyway, that's my thought. I'd love to hear what you guys think about it, because I think it's going to be fun. It's different. I'm not a cook at all, so you know, but I know there's a lot of people out there that do like cookbooks relating to or journals relating to cooking. So this would be a wonderful gift for somebody who does a lot of holiday cooking, that kind of thing. Alrighty, so I will let you go here, and I'm sorry it's short, but I wanted to get something out today, and I'm going to sew And my legs are getting a little better. Not quite there yet. I don't know if this is going to completely work. You know, I've had the shot, and today is going on the 3rd day, I believe. So, yeah, I hope that I'm going to get more strength back in my legs now. So that'll make me feel better all around. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.